All right, welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology, and you're joining me inside the isolation chamber. Today, we're going to take a look at the HD Smart Wi-Fi camera from HeimVision, model HM203. Let's get into it. All right, so here it is, HD Smart Wi-Fi camera from HeimVision. HM203 is the model number. I got this off Amazon for $30 Canadian on a flash sale. I already have one in the basement currently, the exact same model, but I thought I could use one in my garage. So let's get into the specs here. So on this side, it says key features: multiple connection options, advanced night vision, handy two-way radio, intelligent tracking available, smart motion and sound detection, alternative local and cloud storage, and remote viewing via app and browser. Let's take a look on this side. It says micro SD card storage up to 128 gigs, not included. The lens is a 36 millimeter, 110 degree lens. It pans and tilts. So the pan is 355 degrees and the tilt is 55 degrees. Digital zoom is 4 times. The IR distance, 15 meters. That's for night vision. The power supply that it comes with is a DC 5 volt. In the box, you'll see as we open it, we'll have a smart Wi-Fi camera, a screw set, USB cable, user manual, camera mount, power adapter, and LAN cable. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. So you get a free gift card. Let's put that to the side. Get another card. Don't know what that's about. We have the user manual. And then inside we have the actual camera itself. Let's just put that to the side for a moment. And in this little white box, so we have the screws for mounting to a wall or a stud in your basement or garage. We have micro USB and USB-A to connect to the actual camera. We have an Ethernet cable if you want to connect Ethernet. It is a wireless camera, but you could connect via Ethernet cable. You have the mounting bracket if you want to hang it off the wall or the ceiling. You don't need it because the camera, as you can see, has little feet at the bottom. So you could just rest it on the table. So that's that. And you have the power brick, 5 volt. All right, that's everything inside the box. So next, I'm going to show you how to set up this camera and download the HeimVision app for your phone and get it all set up. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to connect this via an Android device through the HeimLink app. I'm going to plug in the USB cable into the back of the camera at this moment and get it powered on. It's doing a 360 spin. calibrating itself.
Please configure your camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
Alright, so now I'm gonna hit the plus button here that you see in the top right hand corner. I'm gonna select smart camera. I'm going to hit device added by scanning the code. And I'm going to hit next. Here it shows you that this device does not support 5G, so this is only a 2.4 gigahertz device. So I'm going to enter my password. I'm going to hold this IR code up to the camera's lens.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting.
So now the camera has scanned the code, beeped twice, and now it's supposed to connect to my Wi-Fi. So now it's going to connect. Hopefully this works.
Please wait for internet connecting. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
All right, so it looks like everything is connected, and there we go, 100%. Addition is successful. I'm gonna name this garage because this is where this camera is going. All right, so that's it. Once I have it installed in my garage, I'll show you the footage from there. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I've completed the setup of the camera in my garage. A couple of screws, screwdriver, a ladder, and it's all done. So here's what it looks like, pointing towards my garage door from the inside. I'll just walk around a little bit, show you kind of the image quality and what it looks like. For a $30 camera, I can't complain. It's looking good. One thing I forgot to mention was that there's 30 days free cloud storage, and after 30 days you'd have to pay for cloud storage, or you could use an SD card and insert to the back of the camera, and you could save all your footage to the SD card for free, of course. So you have two options. So otherwise, I believe this camera is, for the price, it's very good. Or I would recommend it if you could catch it on a deal on Amazon for $30 like I did. I'll put a link to this product in the description, so check it out underneath the video. And please like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.